chicken thighs, and ground cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, ground cinnamon, sugar, salt, and pepper. Then we have a corn mixture here. We will mix together the corn, tomatoes, green onions, and the red bell pepper. So I already heated the oil in the pan, and then I need to brown the chicken thigh for 5 minutes on each side, and to brown all the chickens. I have like 9 chicken thighs, and I already rub this with onion powder, garlic powder, and ground cinnamon. I mean ground cumin. The first 3 ingredients, you rub it in the chicken thighs, then you heat the oil on the pan and you brown the chicken. So I will just wait to brown this on each side, then put it in a plate, put it aside. Then I can start the next step for baking the chicken thigh. Okay, I already preheated the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and already made the corn mixture. It's a combination of corn kernels, green onions, and red bell pepper and tomatoes. So now I just have to arrange the chicken thighs on top of the corn mixture. I already browned it. So this one is ready to put in the oven. I already browned the chicken on both sides for at least 5 minutes. Then put it on the top of the corn mixture. Corn mixture is made up of corn, red bell pepper, tomato, and green onions. So I already arranged it on the top. Then I already preheated my oven for 375 degrees Celsius. I mean 375 Fahrenheit. Then next thing we need to do is cover the chicken with foil. Then I added a rosemary here to add extra aroma on our chicken thighs. So I'm going to stick this inside the oven, covered, and stick it inside the oven for 15 minutes, covered. Ooh, it's hot. Put the timer for 15 minutes. So 15 minutes inside the oven. So Here is it here. So we'll wait for 15 minutes.